In previous chapters, we covered how to author custom task types. However, we put them in a subproject build file, making it available only to that subproject. In this chapter, we will go over where to author custom task types so they can be shared across all subprojects. There are a couple of recommended ways to define configuration so that it can be shared across subprojects. The simplest way is by using build source. Build source is a special folder in the root directory. Configuration defined here can be accessed by all subprojects. In this demo project, the build source folder is already created. There are two subprojects, app and model. Currently in the app subproject, we have a print string task type similar to the Hello World task type in previous chapters. We have a task in the app subproject of this task type. If we go to the model subproject and try authoring another task using the task type here, you can see there is an error since the task type is not accessible in this subproject. In the build source, we can create a Kotlin class file for the task type. And put the task type code here. You can see the task type is still accessible in the app subproject. And now it is also accessible in the model subproject. Other configurations such as task definitions, task configurations, and common dependencies can also be put inside build source and be shared across subprojects using convention plugins. To continue on with your Gradle build tool training and learn more about shared build configuration, you can take the Shared Build Logic training course on DPE University or on YouTube. In that training, we will cover how to create the build source folder if it doesn't already exist, as well as other options for shared configuration.